In today's video, I will show you exactly how to install and set up PewDiePie's self-hosted AI workspace Odysseus step by step. Now for this demonstration, I will be using a MacBook. If you're on Windows, the official documentation recommends the native Windows installation instead of Docker when you want local GPU acceleration. So what exactly is Odysseus? Odysseus is a self-hosted AI workspace. This means you can run it on your personal computer and use it for chatting with AI models, agents, and other workflows. It can connect to local models with tools like Ollama and LM Studio, as well as cloud providers when you need more powerful models. Before installing Odysseus, the first thing we need is Homebrew. Head over to this website, copy the installation command and paste it into terminal to install Homebrew. Once it's done, install Python by running this command. And make sure you are using Python 3.11 or later. Next, go ahead and create a workspace folder for Odysseus. Then head over to the Odysseus GitHub page and carefully follow the instructions. Now scroll down and open the setup guide. The officially recommended installation method for Odysseus is Docker. Since I'm using Apple Silicon Mac, Docker cannot access Metal framework for GPU acceleration. For Apple Silicon Macs, the native installation method is recommended. Windows users should also follow the native Windows installation instructions if they want local GPU acceleration. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the dev branch is currently the default branch. It includes newer features, but it also contains bugs. If you prefer stability, you can use the main branch instead. Now for this tutorial, we will stick with the dev branch. Go ahead and copy this command and paste it into terminal to clone the Odysseus repository. Then cd into Odysseus folder and you will see all the project files. Now go ahead and look for the macOS start script and run it. This will create the Python virtual environment and configure the Odysseus AI workspace. After some time, it will ask you to create a username and password. If the script fails with a Python error, open this particular file in your text editor and go to line number 15 and add any under the import section. Then go ahead and save the file and run the script again. This time, you should no longer see the error and Odysseus should be accessible at localhost on port number 7860. Simply log in using the username and password you have created. And voila, we are inside the Odysseus environment. You can also change the theme using this option. Now let's go ahead and connect Odysseus to local AI models. On the chat section, click select model, then click the plus button. Now from here, you can connect to local AI endpoints or cloud providers. I will show you both. Now first, let's connect Odysseus to the local model using Ollama. You can also use LM Studio, but for this tutorial, we're going to use Ollama. Now head over to the Ollama website and copy the installation command and paste it into terminal. Once the installation is complete, Ollama will start running in the background. Then go ahead and open Ollama settings and increase the context length to 16K. Now this gives you more space for longer conversations and helps avoid context-related issues. Next, install any model you want. For example, you could use Gemma 4 E2B and Qwen 3.5. In my case, I have downloaded several models and I'm ready to go. Now go ahead and return to Odysseus, then choose Add Ollama and click Test to make sure Ollama is serving the models correctly. And as you can see, it's online. Just go ahead and click Add. And now you can select your model and start chatting. And as you can see, it works perfectly. The output format looks very good and the experience is quite impressive. If in case your computer isn't powerful enough to run larger local AI models, you can also use cloud providers like OpenAI, OpenCodeGo, Anthropic, and much more. Let's go ahead and switch to agent mode and build a real-world application. First, I'm going to choose the workspace. Then click Add Model. Under API Models, choose your provider. In my case, I'm going to use OpenCodeGo and provide my API key. Now let's go ahead and test the connection. And as you can see, the cloud model is now working. Just go ahead and click Add. I have selected Minimax M3. Now let's ask it to create a simple modern to-do list application. And as you can see, it has finished creating the application. And this is the result and it works perfectly. Now once you're done working with Odysseus, just go ahead and press Ctrl+C to stop the server. You can restart it anytime by running the same script again. On Apple Silicon, you can also create a standalone Odysseus application by running the script. To keep things very simple, I personally prefer running the script manually whenever I want to start Odysseus. And that's how you install and set up PewDiePie's Odysseus AI workspace on your computer. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.